What's up everybody, my name is Alvin aka Tankski, and today we're gonna unbox the Latios and the Latias pin collection. Let's go. Alright, let's go ahead and open these packs. This is the new Dragon Majesty set. Has approximately 70 cards. The thing about this set is you can't really buy booster packs individually. So you gotta buy these pin collections or the tin collections, elite trainer box that's coming out. That's the only way you can get these booster packs. So let's take a look at that. Ooh, there's a cover on top. Wow, struggling. Okay. Latios. It is a Black Star promo. Nice. Let's get that sleeved up right here. Alright. 3 booster packs. Here's the code. Now if you get the code, write in the description, tell me what you got. That's the pin. Nice, nice. Let's open this up. The Latias box. Here's the pin. Pretty cool looking. Ooh, Latias. Look at that shine. Very nice. Get that sleeved up. And 3 more boosters. Let me know what you get. Let me know in the comments below. Yes, 6 boosters right here. Charizard, Salamence, Charizard, and Dragonite. Alright. Let's open one up. Let's see what we get. So because this is such a small set, every booster pack contains a holo or better. Alright, ooh. I'm missing a card there. Oh, there it is. Let's see what we got. We got Totodile, Dratini, Hakamo-O, ooh, reverse Lapras, and Como-O holographic. Wow, that looks pretty sweet. Leaf Energy, Fiery Flint, Melodic, Corsola, Jangmo-O. Oh, one more. Zygarde. Nice. Okay, let's open this one. Oh. Okay, here's the code. 4 from the back. Here we go. Fire Energy, Seadra, Heatmore, Fion, Charmander, Hakamo-O, Wooper, Torchic, Jangmo-O, ooh, Darumaka, Blaine's Last Stand. Nice. Look at that shine. That's pretty sweet. Next. Drag Charizard booster again. Yes. Open it up. Okay. 4 from the back. Oh, what? I messed that up. But Kingdra GX. That, wow. That is a good looking card. 230 HP. Maelstrom GX. Wow. That's a nice card. Fighting Energy. Quagsire, Zygarde. Zinnia. Kangaskhan. Swablu, Torchic, Wooper, Horsey, and Reverse Lapras. Charizard booster. Let's go. That was a good one. That was a good one. Let's go. Let's go. I'm feeling good. Here's the card. 4 from the back. Let's not mess this up this time. Ooh, there it is. There it is. Fairy Energy. Seadra. Darmanitan. Switchraft. Dratini. Horsey. Jangmo-O. Magikarp. Corsola. Reversed Hollow Fiery Flint and Feraligatr. That's nice. Alright, we got a Salamence booster. Let's get this bad boy open. I don't want to rip this booster. I want to keep it. So I'm being very careful. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a card. Ooh. It's the code. Get it? Let me know what you get. Alright, here we go. 4 from the back. Psychic Energy. Flygon. Druddigon, Charmeleon, Hakamo-O, Torchic, Charmander, Dratini, Trapinch, Blaine's Last Stand, reverse again, and is that it? Nope. Whoa! Altaria GX. Wow. Look at the detail. That is real nice. let me sleeve that bad boy up. That is a beauty. Wow. That is really nice. That's a good booster. Okay, last one. Dragonite. Come on. That was good. Got Kingdra GX and an Altaria GX. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I feel like I'm messing this up. That's the code. I believe this one's there. 4 from the back. Fairy Energy. Fiery Flint. Wayla Volcano Park. Lapras, Wooper, Dratini, Swablu, Vibrava, Wishy-Washy, Magikarp Reverse Holo, and Zekrom. Nice. That's a cool looking card. So, to recap, where did my... Oh, I forgot to sleeve my Kingdra GX. Let me do that right now. So definitely my two biggest pulls, no doubt, Kingdra GX and this super rare Altaria GX. Those are pretty cool. So if you like what you saw, if you want to see more, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time in my next booster opening. See you guys.